Ikereka riria mwaka uyu riguciririe Makiria ma itemi 5 uria ni undu wa gukenerera hari ahariria mahenya maya ma Mwea Classic Marathon kuona ni megukorwo makihota gutuga ateng'eri na njira igwete. Mugaru na mwaka muthiru mwaka uyu ateng'eri ihenya ria kilomita 21 ni magakorwo magitugwo na ngoganicio medals ta uria muikariri giti Charles Gishofi aratariria.
We're actually going to change the entire marathon in a lot of number of exciting ways. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to be using the smart chip technology, because we've realized that when people are running marathons, some of the challenges that we've been having has been highlighted by Anduko is ensuring that people actually start at the right time and finish at the right time. We're working with a local insurance company to make sure that all runners are insured. We'll also be having medals, but we shall be having medals only for 21 kilometers.
President wa kiama kia mahenya guku bururi-ini retired Jackson Tuwei uria uma mugeni munene ni athire na mbere na kuhinyiriria ateng'eri metheme na uthiri wa ndawa ngana cekurirukia icoka uteng'eri-ini wao.
Let us get out of this drug issue. Quite a number of our athletes have been found to have doped, and it continues. Let us all kill this thing completely. Let us kill it completely.
Mahenya maya magatafanio mweri 21 mweri tuthiite kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga na matanyitwo kuguciriria Makiria ma ateng'eri 2,500 hamwe nao ari ciana cia thukuru o ndumwe na ateng'eri a ikiro cia iguru nio elite athletes. Handu-ini metha mathako ya Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mugure wa Karuiru.